Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Um, Today, we're looking at a surprising red carpet reveal. Have you ever shown up to one event still wearing the remnants of another? Um, Robert Pattinson just did exactly that. He recently walked the red carpet at the London premiere of the Odyssey, looking distinctly like Batman. Um, Pattinson admitted he came straight from the set of the Batman Part 2 that morning, uh, joking he still had his eye makeup on. This offhand comment is the clearest sign yet that production is well underway. The premiere of Christopher Nolan's The Odyssey was a star-studded event that Matt Damon, Tom Holland, Zendaya, and many others were in attendance. Pattinson plays Antinous in the film, but it was his Batman look that grabbed attention. Speaking with the press, Pattinson confirmed the early morning shoot for the Batman Part 2. And he playfully mentioned the lingering eye makeup, a signature element of Bruce Wayne's look under the cowl. And this confirms filming began in June 2026 with locations across England and Scotland. The first official shot was shared as production kicked off, and footage has already surfaced online. The sequel reunites Pattinson with Jeffrey Wright, Andy Serkis, and Colin Farrell. New cast members include Scarlett Johansson, Sebastian Stan, and Charles Dance. Brian Tyree Henry's possible role as Two-Face is generating buzz. The story picks up after the flooding of Gotham, with Bruce Wayne investigating a new case that delves deeper into the city's corruption. Reeves aims to explore Gotham's underbelly further. It's been a long wait for this sequel. The Batman was a huge success in 2022, but the follow-up has faced delays due to script revisions and Pattinson's other commitments. The wait has been extended, but it seems worth it. Matt Reeves co-wrote the script with Matt Tomlin. Filming is currently underway in the UK. The Batman Part 2 is scheduled for release on October 1st, 2027 as part of the DC Elseworlds label. Being Batman must be exhausting. I heard he tried to order a pizza once, but they said, we don't deliver to bat caves. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,